Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you what I made using this paper pad. This is one of the paper pads that I chose to use for May. Um, so let me show you. That's a hard pad to work with because it's so realistic. So what I did is I went ahead and made note cards. So they're just simple note cards, and I used, let me show you what I used. I used the Dollar Tree A2 craft envelopes. There's 10 count in here. And so I just went through and picked out 10 different papers and made a set of note cards. And I think they're really cute. And this is a great way to use these. You know what would be fabulous is if you had gold metallic lettering like hello or, happy fall, something like that for sentiments on these cards. But also they're cute just plain. Look at that one. I love it. And I'm going to go through these real quick. But I think this would be a great craft fair item, and you could use it with any type of paper that you don't know what to do with it. And, just make little simple note cards. And there's 10 to this pack because there's 10 cards in each pack. So anyway, that's one set I made. I made a bunch. I made 3 sets so far. And I do have more that I'm making. But see, just however you cut the paper, that's how it ends up. I think that one's so pretty, and it just, these cards scream fall. And you could give these as a gift or sell these as a gift to someone who just loves fall. And you could wrap it up with, some beautiful fall fibers, like some fall yarn or fall colored seam binding, or something like that to make it real decorative and cute to sell. But I think this would be a great addition to Craft Fair Friday. So here is one. So I made 3 sets, and I will be making more. But I wanted to show you this. Cute. I love them, and fall is my favorite time of the year. It's my favorite thing to craft is fall related. Look at the pumpkin card. That one turned out so cute. And then this one with all the fall leaves. Okay, I just wanted to share that with you, and you guys have an amazing day. And later on, I will package them up so you could see what they look like. I just don't have packaging, and I'm not finished with them yet. So anyway, tell me what you think. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these. And these are really, really cheap because, let me tell you, this is $1.25 for 10, so 12.5 cents per card. And then this was $3, and so divided by 48 cents. I didn't do the math yet. And yeah, the cards, let's see. Let me look it up real quick. Give me just a minute. So it's 6 cents a sheet for the paper, and then 12.5 cents. So you could actually make a card with tax 25 cents or cheaper. So think about that, when you're making cards like this or you're buying paper and trying to figure it out, that this is a really, really good deal if you can figure out how to use that paper. Okay? Anyway, you guys have a great day. Bye.